I've already got a video on taking a water pump off of these. I've removed the thermostat housing. I'm about to remove the water pump. I've already taken the fan shrouds out. This water pump is leaking from the weep hole on the very bottom. Alright, remove the belt. As you see, thermostat housing. We're going to take the water pump out. You've got to take the power steering pump off in order to remove. See, the power steering pump bolts into the water pump, and there's holes in this pulley to go through to take that off. Alright, a couple of things I noticed was that one of these bolts was never tightened, and way down there you can see that bracket that's supposed to bolt to the engine. There's no bolt in it. Man, some people. Alright, I got the water pump out, and you can see from the rust it was leaking out of that hole right there. That means the seal was bad. This looks like an aftermarket pump, I guess. Not too sure. Nope, that's original. That's a Chrysler symbol right there. So this is the original water pump. Lasted 170,000 miles. Now, once I degrease everything, I'm going to clean the surfaces with this. It's real important to get these clean. If you notice, there's still some residual something there. And down here in the water pump, as you see, I'm going to have to get the heavy-duty sander, die grinder, to smooth all this out. We're going to use this. Much better. Alright, I got all my bolts cleaned, got my water outlet on here. I had that one from another project, so about to put it on. Alright, got the water pump on, got my outlet, but as you see how close this is to the valve cover on my last video? That's kind of too close for comfort, so I'm going to try to bend this a little bit. These aftermarket water pumps are drilled in a slightly different area, but that's easy to fix. That third power steering pump bolt, I see why it wasn't in there. It's because somebody stripped it out, so we're going to fix that too. So when I went to take the power steering pump off, only these two were tightened. That one was just kind of jiggling. That's because somebody stripped it out. This, I believe, is the original hose. It's got this thing on it. It's got the original clamps. This is the new one. Daco. Came from AutoZone, so this is real stiff. Man, this is so squishy. Alright, got the water pump on. Got the thermostat housing gasket, new thermostat. I used the old housing, just cleaned it up. So we're ready to put the new heater hoses, top radiator hose on, and we should be done. What you want to do is fill the heater core first. So you pour your antifreeze into this top funnel. I've got my car jacked up in the front, so it's going to go way back into the heater core. Alright, it's all back together. New belt, new bottom hose, new top hose, two new heater hoses. So keep in mind, I do not have the electrical fan on here, nor do I have the fan shroud. I still have to tighten these bolts up, but that'll come later. Thanks for watching.